Hello, children. In this module, we will learn about the four countries which are Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. The official name of Myanmar is the Republic of the Union of Myanmar. It was earlier known as Burma. It is situated in Southeast Asia. Apart from India, its neighboring countries are Bangladesh, Laos, China, and Thailand. It has a coastline along the Andaman Sea and Bay of Bengal. The Myanmar is also called the land of golden pagodas. Myanmar is situated in Southeast Asia. It shares its border with Indian states which are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. Naypyidaw is the capital of Myanmar. Pagodas are main tourist attraction of Myanmar. Chinlone is the national sport of Myanmar. It is a ball game played without using hands. Next in this is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is officially known as the People's Republic of Bangladesh. It is located in South Asia. It is bordered on the west, east, and north by India, and Myanmar lies to its southeast. Bay of Bengal is located towards its south. Bangladesh has at least 160 million people. Bangladesh is called the land of rivers. Bangladesh is a riverine country that shares its borders with the Indian states of West Bengal, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Assam. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Do you know? 700 rivers, including their tributaries, flow through Bangladesh. Sri Lanka. The official name of Sri Lanka is Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. Till 1972, it was called Ceylon. It is an island nation located towards the southeastern part of India and in South Asia. Sri Lanka is the pearl of the Indian Ocean. Sri Lanka is an island nation in the Indian Ocean. It is located to the southern part of India. Colombo is both the capital and largest city of Sri Lanka. The climate of Sri Lanka can be described as tropical with distinct wet and dry seasons. Volleyball is the national sport of Sri Lanka. Maldives is officially known as the Republic of Maldives. It is an island country located between Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. It is made up of 26 small islands that are arranged in north-south manner. Capital is Male, which is located at a distance of 750 kilometers towards the southwest of Sri Lanka and 100 kilometers towards the southwest of India. Male is the largest city in Maldives as well as the official religion of Maldives is Islam. It occupies an area of 298 square kilometer. Its population is almost 3,41,356. The official language here is Maldives. Maldives is the smallest country of Asia. 95% of this country is surrounded by water. Due to this, the facility of airways and air taxi is available here.